Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to add a new admin to your WhatsApp group. If you manage a group chat and want someone else to share admin duties with you, like managing members or updating group info, this updated step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account that created or currently manages the group. Adding a new admin is only possible if you're already an admin yourself. Now, from your chat list, find and select the group where you want to add a new admin. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group info page where you can see all your group details, settings, and member list. Next, scroll down until you see the list of participants. Here's where you will find everyone in the group. Look for the member you want to make admin. Once you find them, tap and hold their name until a few options appear on your screen. From the menu that pops up, select Make Group Admin. After tapping that option, WhatsApp will confirm your choice and that member will instantly become an admin alongside you. It's that simple. Your new admin will now have the same abilities you do, such as adding or removing participants, changing the group description, and adjusting group settings. If at any time you decide to remove someone's admin rights, you can follow these same steps and choose dismiss as admin instead. It's just as quick. Adding an extra admin can be really useful, especially if your group is large or always active. It helps share responsibilities and ensures that your group runs smoothly even when you're not online. And that's it. The process is complete. Now, you know exactly how to make someone an admin in your WhatsApp group with the latest app version. Thanks for watching.